Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Touching down from a very crazy and hectic morning in Chiang Mai City, northern Thailand. So today we are going to the grand opening of the brand new complex here, IKEA. It opens in about 10 minutes time and it is rammed out the front, so I thought we'd come down and check it out, man. Yeah, everybody's been on about this for ages, the opening of IKEA in Chiang Mai, and it opens at 11 o'clock this morning. Hey IKEA mate, Chiang Mai got a brand new IKEA. So apparently there's a Decathlon here as well, and that is going to be excellent, because that means I don't have to go all over the other side of town. Look, the boys are up there with the cameras, look. Got the cameras out. This is going to be news, mate. This is going to be world news. Hello. Hey, Decathlon. There's a Decathlon, look. And we got a True store here. New True store. Hello. Sabadi, mate. Nice lady there. So I'm expecting maybe we'll see some other people down here as well. I'm sure there'll be a few people. Hey, looks nice though, doesn't it? We got the True store and the Decathlon, mate. We got a Decathlon, buddy. Just outside of May here. Gonna look in there after. But we're gonna do the grand opening of IKEA, mate. Hey! Oh, music. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. I don't even like IKEA. I don't even know what they sell. Right, they sell all sorts, don't they? Tell you what, this has been the talk of the town for ages. How long we got here? Let's have a look. So we got 14 minutes. Should we have a look in Decathlon first? Yeah, let's have a look in Decathlon. Oh, I can get all my stuff here now as well, look. How long before they chuck me out with the camera? Oh man, I can get a bag here now as well. So you've got the main Decathlon branch over in Sansai near Central Plaza. But they've opened this one too now. So it is like a mini little complex. The Decathlon's cool. You can get all your, well, it's not cheap, but it's budget, but good, well-made stuff. I think the Decathlon is. It's only a small store, look, very small. You can get most things that you need here as well. Hey, so there you go. I'm quite happy with that, you know. And this one is a lot closer, not too far. 5, 10, 15 minutes. Hey, it's open. Some people got early bird tickets. 1, 2, 10. That's a bit over the top, isn't it? There's no rush to get in there really, man. So I think this is a brand new 7-Eleven as well. Got a brand new 7. It looks brand new, doesn't it? I would say this is a brand new one. Brand new 7, look. Just opened. Hello. Let's have a look at a brand new 7-Eleven. Brand spanking new. Just the same as anything. We get some freebies though, can't we? We could get some freebies. Gonna get a snack in a minute. Swaddy cup. Hey, there you go, brand new 7-Eleven. Yeah, we're not hanging about here, are we? But brand new, mate. People will even come and see a brand new 7-Eleven, like me. I seen this about a month ago. I wrote it down on my reminders. I would have forgot about it. I forget about loads of stuff. And the reminder went off yesterday. And I thought, right, we'll go and do this. We'll go and do it. And just have a look, you know. Maybe there's something in there I'll like for my room. You never know. I don't get what all this ticket malarkey is. You can get in there early and have a look. Look, so where we are, we're in Macro. Macro's right behind there. This is Macro down here, which anybody that lives in Chiang Mai will know where Macro is. What's all this then? Don't say you gotta get a ticket just to go in. Yeah, come down here, look. There's your Macro. Macro shopping centre. And they got some new stuff here as well. Chemist and Amazon. I knew they'd have a cafe, mate. Got the Amazon on the end as well, look. Let's have a quick look. Just walk all the way around. How busy it is. Brand new Amazon. Absolutely packed, mate. If it's a ticket, I ain't gonna be happy if you gotta get a ticket just to get in. This guy got an amazing setup, look. Hello. Well, I understand this because yeah, it'll be full, right? Everybody will just stampede in there. I understand that. So I'm guessing we do have to get a ticket. Oh, mate. You have to have ticket to go in. Have to have ticket. Oh, we'll open for everybody at 11. Okay, so I can just walk in 11. Ah, okay. Right. I don't get what all this ticket's about then. Free drink or something. It's me saying this and it's not even 11 yet. Typical English. Moaning before the actual open time. Let's just wait here, man. Hey, they're getting the post out. Getting the post out, man. Just one cop and cap. Right, got one. Hey, got one. Got a ticket, mate. I can understand why you need a ticket, but it's not like there's a crazy amount of people. It probably is just a small shop, but I think it could have been done a little bit better. You gotta wait till somebody comes out there. It's at about 50 odd now, and I'm 106. So we're gonna be here for quite a while. Thinking about getting an Amazon, mate. Do you know what? I'm getting one of these 10-baht coffees in here. Swaddy Cap. This lady was selling cheap ones. Getting one of these. Oh, no coffee. I thought doing coffee here. 35 baht. Swaddy Cap. Latte. Can have hot latte. 30 baht. 30?
30 baht.
Okay, thank you. So got my latte, 30 baht. We're waiting for this, guys. We're doing it. Hello. We're not leaving early doors, mate. I got my ticket. Right, guys, so this lady here has told me what's happening. They're going to let everybody in a minute and do away with the tickets, apparently. Good morning out. We like covering a good opening day, don't we, in places around Chiang Mai.
Excuse me, where's your
106. I turn, mate.
Can go up there now?
Yes. Come on, son. We've been waiting long enough, haven't we? IKEA. I can't ever recall going to an IKEA, even back in England. Look at them still coming in. It's going to be like this all day. Look at the queue, man. Thank you, thank you. Look. I'm glad I got here when I did, actually. It's just going to keep getting busier during the day. Hour by hour, minute by minute. Look at it now. Look at it now, mate. Right round the corner. So I did get it. Hello, Swaddy Cap, Swaddy Cap. Hello. Hello. Do you know what the best thing is? The mountain is crystal clear. I'm gonna have to get this vlog up soon because the smoke might be back, but right now it is amazing here. It is. If it stays like this now, but I can't see it, but it is a great few days, the last few days here. After we hear what this beautiful lady's got to say.
ต้อนรับอีกครั้งนะคะทุกท่านค่ะตอนนี้ค่ะเราอยู่กับกิจกรรมสุดพิเศษจากทาง True Branding Shop นะคะเอาละค่ะตอนนี้นะคะแจกพัดไปก่อนเลยค่ะสำหรับลูกค้านะคะลูกค้าท่านใดที่อยู่บริเวณนี้ค่ะแล้วก็อยากจะร่วมแจกกระเป๋ากันอีกครั้งหนึ่งนะคะเรามาดูกันว่ากติกาจะเป็นยังไงกันบ้างนะคะกับการแจกกระเป๋าสวยๆนะคะแต่ว่าตอนนี้ค่ะเราบอกก่อนว่าถ้าเกิดเข้ามาในช็อป True นะคะวันนี้ค่ะคุณมีสิทธิ์ได้ซื้อสินค้านะคะไม่ว่าจะเป็น iPhone Series 16 นั่นเองหรือว่าจะเป็น Samsung S25 นะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะมีการแจกกระเป๋าให้กับทุกท่านกันด้วยวันนี้นะคะยังมีสิทธิ์ได้ easy e-receive ค่ะสำหรับลูกค้าท่านใดที่ซื้อสินค้านะคะภายในช็อปของเราค่ะ ก็สามารถที่จะได้รับไปเลยนะคะกับการรับ 30,000 บาทค่ะกับ e-tag นะคะดังนั้นเชิญชวนเข้ามาทำธุรกรรมต่างๆแล้วก็เลือกซื้อสินค้า
Right guys, so I think we're going to leave it there. Yeah, it was good to come and check out. I'm not going to say I had a great time, but it's IKEA. It's the opening day of IKEA and this mini shopping, I don't know what you call it. Just a little group of shops here right next to Macro. I'm going to get out of here now. I'm going to go and get some grub and I'm going to get a proper green tea. This latte wasn't the greatest in the world. It's nice to get in a mix of some people in it. Have a look around it. They're turning up now, loads of them. Right, I'm going to get on Lucille. I think we're going to end this vlog here, mate, because Lucille's in the sun and there's just too many people here, man. I'm glad I've come here and done it. Hello! Is he waving at me? I don't know. I don't know. So, this guy wants my spot. Hello! Hello. Swaddy Cap, Sabadi Mai. You want park here? Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's get going. Hope you're all safe and sound as always, and I will see you in the next one. So take it easy, man. Take it easy.